Hello mga kadonatics, nako naman, Sandro Marcos biglang kumambyo sa impeachment case ni Inday Sara Duterte. Bakit kaya? Natatandaan niyo ba mga kadonatics na siya yung unang pumirma sa impeachment case ni Inday Sara Duterte dahil lang sa gusto ni Inday Sara na hukayin yung lolo niya? To personal reason mga kadonatics para i-impeach mo yung hinalal ng taong bayan, yung vice presidente. Diba? Nung kinontra nila mga Duterte mga kadonatics, mukhang naging ulol at high na din si Sandro Marcos mga kadonatics. Minsan nabubulol sa mga sinasabi niya, hindi na makapag-express masyado. Hindi katulad noon na, nako, ibang-iba siya ngayon mga kadonatics. Ang galing sumagot noon, ngayon, ewan ko kung anong nangyari sa kanya. Pero may karma talaga ang mga Duterte mga kadonatics ha? Pagkontrahin mo sila, may karma ka talaga. Eto mga kadonatics, pakinggan natin yung bagong interview niya before sa SONA. Eto.
Let's begin with what do you think of insinuations that the second half of your father's term is already on his route to being a lame duck president?
Well, such insinuations and such statements are normal naman towards the latter part of the presidency. But I think, you can see with the supermajority in the House, you can see naman that the Senate is stable, that's not the case. And, I think the best answer to that is just to wait and see.
The Supreme Court has said that the impeachment complaint that the House filed
Yes, ma'am.
is null and void,
Yes, ma'am.
particularly due to technicalities. You were the first to sign that complaint
was.
last Congress.
I was.
Will you sign again next year once the ban lapses?
Well, we'll have to see, because my role now is different. As majority leader, I have to put forward a more balanced view. I now am I'm now wearing a different hat, so to speak.
What? Anong kinalaman sa pagiging majority leader mo sa impeachment case ni Inday Sara Duterte? Kung gusto mo siyang i-impeach noon, bakit ka nag-iba ng posisyon ngayon? Natakot ata itong mga Marcoses mga kadonatics kasi nakita nila na grabe pa yung suporta ng taong bayan. Kinawawa sila tuloy mga kadonatics dahil sa impeachment case na yan. Ngayon pa na ang Supreme Court mga kadonatics nag-ruled out na unconstitutional yung article of impeachment. Diba? Naku mga kadonatics, mukhang natakot tong mga taong to. Or, hugas kamay mga kadonatics para hindi sisihin. Diba? Ganito ka-klase yung mga Marcoses maglaro mga kadonatics. Too obvious.
So, to answer that question, I think we just have to wait and see. To be honest, I don't want my association with the president, or I do not want to get the president involved with such activities, because as Malacanang said, wala silang kinalaman sa nangyayari sa lower house and upper house.
Wow, mga kadonatics wala daw silang kinalaman and he doesn't want the president to be involved in the impeachment case. Siya yung pumirma, si Romualdez yung tumapos mga kadonatics, yung pinakahuli talaga to seal the impeachment case. Tapos sabihin mo na wala kayong kinalaman, mga bungok pala kayo.
So if my position as majority leader, how do you say it? If my position as majority leader will somehow get people to think that the president is involved, I'll be forced to recuse myself.
Does this pivot in terms of tenor coming from you stems from the fact that the administration lost a lot in the midterm elections?
How is it a pivot?
Because during the impeachment complaint that you filed in February, you were quite certain. You mentioned na sabi niya huhukayin niya yung lolo ko eh. What do you expect
I
me
wasn't
to do?
majority leader then. I'm majority leader now.
Just to challenge you. Isn't the majority leader's one of his actual duties is to actually rally numbers?
You're correct.
Okay.
But in this situation, in which given who I am and my position, again, if the president gets dragged or his name gets dragged into issues such as this, then I will have no choice but to recuse myself. Because, again, if the stance of Malacanang is that they are hands-off, then I will have to be hands-off as well.
Alright. Just a short teaser. What should we expect from your father's speech?
Well, it's an hour, 20 minutes long.
Expect nothing but disappointment. Ito na lang mga kadonatics na hands off na yung Malacanang. So mag-hands off din siya. totally different sa nangyari mga kadonatics kasi nag-rule out na yung Supreme Court. Binindicate na ng Supreme Court mga kadonatics na mali yung ginawa ng Kamara. Ngayon, para hindi masyadong ma-blame mga kadonatics na wala silang ginawa kundi pamumulitika sa Kamara, eto, nagugas kamay itong si Sandro Marcos mga kadonatics. Sayang tong batang to. Ay nako naman. Can I have your position instead? Joke lang. Thank you so much mga kadonatics. So what do you think about this?
And I really don't like saying what's in it kasi ayoko naman unahan ng ating Pangulo. But I think people will be happy with what he has to say. It's a speech.
People will be happy with what he has to say. Do you think mga kadonatics, people will be happy? Of course, people around him mga kadonatics will be happy.
That is in touch with the realities that we live in right now. I don't know how to phrase it without giving too much away. So let's just wait for what he has to say.
Alright, last year yung dulo medyo may pasabog. Total ban on Pogos. Should we expect the same now?
I don't know.
Online gambling?
I don't know.
Okay.
See mga kadonatics payo-ayaw nyo pa sa China tapos total ban ng Pogo. Hindi ka magko-comment ayaw nyo sa China pero ito yung reaction mo, di ba? Totally obvious mga kadonatics, nakikinabang din sila sa Pogo. Nako naman. Anyway mga kadonatics, what do you think? Comment down below kasi napaka-interesting mga kadonatics ang mga pahayag niya. Thank you so much and God bless you mga kadonatics. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you, bye-bye and God bless.